Welcome to the Super Typhoon Noru. This is the Danang, Vietnam beach. It's about 11 p.m. September 27th, and the winds, of course you can't see offshore, but the winds offshore are getting up to 195 kilometers an hour. This is the main street. You can see there's a building next to us. The rain blowing off of the roof. It's getting pretty interesting. Sheets, some pieces of metal, and you can see these metal gates. Used to be a gate here. This gate is supposed to be all the way across. It's blown into the street. That gate's probably going to be blowing away soon. This one too. Welcome to a superstorm. They say now around here maybe 165 kilometers an hour. Can't see it from this height, but there's a bunch of motorcycles that have been blown over. I've got like a practice motorbike. Used to be down there next to the tree. It was blown away. The road, as you can see, looks like it has waves going across the road, which shouldn't have any water. And there used to be a very large beach all along here up to the grass. But now the water, the waves are coming almost all the way up to the grass. Luckily it's not a typhoon yet. They say out there's 10-meter waves. These are much bigger than normal, but not 10-meter here yet. It is, again, September 27th, 2022. This is Superstorm Noru starting. It is not the core. We have not hit the eye. We've not hit the center yet. The center of the storm is supposed to be here tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. And again, now it is 11:30 p.m. Usually you can see the other side of the bridge, other side of the river. There's the Danang City building and Novotel. One thing you can see is that building, both of those, whatever they are. This one here, the dark color and white one, is a security guard post, but it's a security guard post from a different hotel farther up the street. We don't have a security guard post like that. Our guys are inside the building. And this is the rooftop awning over top of our front door. And you can see it's already being ripped apart. There's 24 different pieces of our roof have been ripped apart. So it is not exactly a typical small drizzle. Welcome to climate change and situations that we're probably going to be facing more and more. Oh, you may also want to know that the government has put a ban on going outside your residences from 8 p.m. tonight. That's why there's nobody on the street, except the government has about, I think they said 370,000 government officers, mostly soldiers, for emergency workers around this area. Our building has 37 different emergency response team members. So that's just one building. About 300,000 people have been bussed or evacuated out of the danger areas to safer areas. So hopefully you are staying safe too. Take care.